About this channel disclaimer, the content provided on this channel is not financial advice and is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Welcome. My name is Reaz, and this is my channel Echo Envision. If you're interested in 1. Earning more money. 2. Managing debt effectively. 3. Building passive income streams. 4. Investing. 5. Personal finance tips. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. All videos are animated by me under the Echo Envision brand. My goal is to simplify complex financial topics, making them easy to understand and fun to watch. Note, there are countless ways to make money, and success depends on your skills, interests, and available resources. Stay tuned for actionable insights and engaging content to help you on your financial journey. 1. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. 1. Share this with a friend who's starting their investment journey. Financial freedom. The 5 mistakes to avoid achieving financial freedom is a dream for many, but certain common pitfalls can delay or even derail your progress. By understanding these mistakes and learning how to avoid them, you can stay on track toward your goals. 1. Ignoring a budget. Why it's a mistake. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend, accumulate debt, or miss opportunities to save and invest. A budget provides clarity on your income, expenses, and financial priorities. How to avoid it? 1. Track expenses. Use apps or spreadsheets to monitor where your money goes. 2. Create a budget. Follow the 50/30/20 rule, 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings/investments. 3. Review regularly. Adjust your budget as your financial situation changes. 2. Relying too much on debt. Why it's a mistake. Excessive debt, especially high-interest credit card debt, can erode your income, making it harder to save and invest. Relying on debt for lifestyle expenses can create a vicious cycle of financial instability. How to avoid it? 1. Live within your means. Only spend what you can afford without borrowing. 2. Pay off high-interest debt first. Use the avalanche or snowball method. 3. Build an emergency fund. Avoid resorting to loans for unexpected expenses. 3. Delaying savings and investments. Why it's a mistake. Procrastination reduces the power of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Delaying savings often leads to financial insecurity during emergencies or retirement. How to avoid it? 1. Start small. Begin saving and investing even if the amount is modest. 2. Automate contributions. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts. 3. Prioritize retirement. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or TFSAs early. 4. Neglecting to diversify income and investments. Why it's a mistake. Relying on a single income source or putting all investments in one asset class increases your financial risk. If that source fails or underperforms, it can severely impact your finances. How to avoid it? 1. Diversify investments. Spread your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and other asset classes. 2. Build multiple income streams. Consider side hustles, freelancing, or passive income sources like dividends or rental properties. 3. Regularly rebalance. Review and adjust your portfolio to maintain diversification. 5. Failing to plan for the future. Why it's a mistake. Without clear financial goals and preparation for unexpected events, you risk falling short of financial freedom. Poor planning can result in insufficient funds for emergencies, retirement, or major life events. How to avoid it? 1. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound financial objectives. 2. Build an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. 3. Protect yourself with insurance. Health, life, and property insurance can safeguard your finances. 4. Plan for retirement. Calculate how much you need to retire comfortably and work toward that target. Conclusion: achieving financial freedom requires discipline and a long-term perspective. By avoiding these common mistakes, ignoring a budget, relying on debt, delaying savings, neglecting diversification, and failing to plan, you can strengthen your financial foundation and move closer to living the life you desire. 1. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. 1. Share this with a friend who's starting their investment journey.